Say good morning. Where is she? Hey. Good morning. We're at Walmart. I have to pick up some curtains for the boys' room, and I also have to pick up some food for their lunches. Yeah, so let's go inside Walmart. Ready, little one? It's not my favorite place to be, but it's early in the morning, so let's knock this crap out and get out of here. Yeah, nosy people everywhere. People are so nosy, it's not even funny. But I guess when you have a phone sticked in your face, people always wonder what you're doing. But my sweater make me look like I'm old. 1 hour later. It's your fault. Yeah, it's your fault.
She's so pretty.
Thanks. It is Maddie's fault. I didn't come to Walmart for all of this. Oh man. This is why I avoid Target.
Little girl.
Target and Walmart. This is my weak spot. Yeah. Yes, Maddie. What's up? Let me go put the stuff in the cart and get back to you guys later. Yes, Maddie? Yes? Okay. Okay, guys, let me show you guys what I got from Target and Walmart. Alright, take it off. Alright, so from Walmart, I got these gray and white panel. They were 2 for $9.98, $10. So I got 4. Well, I got 2, but it's 4. From Target, I got them this sheet, and this is blue, because I feel like I want to go blue, but I also feel like I want to go gray. But this is a sheet that's going to go on their bed, and it was on clearance for $13.98, originally $27.28. And then I got them these bed skirt. This was $10. And then I got them 2 pillows. These are not for them to sleep on. They already have pillows that they sleep on, so I'm gonna have them take these off their bed. I got a standard, and then I got the jumbo, because I want their bed to look, you know, professional. You know what I mean? That's the word we're going for, professional. And it's the same for Jaxson. I didn't want to match them, but I can't find any color that coordinate together unless I go with Betty's, and I didn't want to do. They had offered me a deal, which sounded really good, but at the same time, I'm just like, no, you want too much for what you're offering. So I kind of turned them down. It's a great company, but I had to turn them down because they want a whole video just dedicated to them, and I'm not about that. If you know me, I don't push product on you guys. I don't do that. You know what I mean? If it's something that I can include in my vlog, great. But a standalone video, no. So just for some free stuff, no. That's too much work. But whatever. So I figured I'd spend my own money and get what I like. So this is it. And then I got for myself this little, yes, Madison? Oh, don't hang it up. Just put it down. It's like a vest. And it's so cute. I love it. I like it. So this was $9. Got them for $9 and it was originally $17. They got some more leggings, like I told you guys. I'm building up my collection of leggings, and plus my husband likes these prints. I don't know, like I was saying, I don't know what it is about these leggings, especially the prints, that makes them so, oh, it's good when I wear it and he gets excited and stuff, but I don't know what it is about the prints. Like, I have leggings and I wear leggings all the time, but prints makes him really excited. So I pick up some more, you know, like that. And that's what I got in terms of stuff. I got some food and I spent a total of $174. So I'm gonna go finish my floors. Let me show you guys how far I got with the floors. So I got up to here. Let me turn on some lights for you guys. It sounds so echoey in here. Here go the rest of the Walmart stuff. I need to take it out the bag. It sounds so echoey in here, but this is how far I got. I used the knife too. I jacked up the floor under the dishwasher. Marcelo pulled the dishwasher out for me, and I was able to lay at least 4 and a little bit under the dishwasher together, not spaced out, but together, because we're gonna go back in and caulk. Because Ryan home, when they built our home, they didn't waterproof under the dishwasher. So what they did was just lay the vinyl. Is this vinyl? Whatever. They lay this floor and it goes up to the wall and it's not sealed. There is no baseboard. There is nothing. It's just open. So if there was to be like the dishwasher leak or something, all that water would seep underneath our floor and we wouldn't know. So it's a good thing we pulled that out. So I pushed the floor all the way to the back, and hubby's gonna go back in later on and caulk it so that this floor will be waterproof and no water can get under it. So I had to rig some stuff up under there to make all of this work, because I cut these that I laid. I cut them at the foot, at the base right here. I cut it because these are being spaced out 1/8. So you know, this wouldn't have matched up with the flooring that's joined together, so I cut it off. And then what I'm doing is putting the other floor on top of this. Then I'm gonna figure out if I can put like a little molding, or I don't know. I'm gonna figure out how to waterproof that, so that there's no water going underneath if there's any leakage or something. We're gonna switch out the baseboards under here. We're gonna get the, not baseboard, but the kickboard. For there, we're gonna get just your trim thing and just put it there. So I'm not worried about that, but it's looking good so far. So let me go finish. Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. So I'm close to baby. We can talk about it. No need to be. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about you. I'm afraid sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tense. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? Trying to avoid stuff getting in my eye, and I closed my eye and the thing slipped. These little tiny pieces would make you feel like you want to cut your finger off. Guys, it's been a crazy, really crazy day, but I look crazy. I don't know if it's because my hair is a mess. I look a mess. I need a shower because I smell like death. I'm joking, but I do need a shower. I feel just icky. Is it icky? Yeah, because I've been running and up and down on the floors and stuff. My whole face looks like I need a shower. But I stopped on the floor. I grouted a little bit right there. That little patch right there, I grouted it. And my rug came in. Let me show you guys. Or I should just wait and do a reveal on all the different rooms because I'm working on so much. What else? I forgot to show y'all. Hold on, let me fix my hair. I'm tired. Finished the stair, the handrail, took it down, took the paint off, and stained it, and we're getting ready to paint the walls and stuff. So the stairs is done. The stairs situation is done. We just need to paint. And I'm thinking of putting board and batten going up the stairs. That's another project. I'm going to stop on projects for a while because I feel like I'm going insane. So I'm going to stop, live in the house, and then start again, if that makes any sense. I look crazy. I'm tired. So let me show you guys what I've done. And also we have an electrician here putting outside light on the garage, because when we built the house it didn't come with outside lights on the garage. There was no option to add it or anything, so we're putting light out there. And also I'm gonna have him give me an estimate for pendant lights over my island, so that I can have pendants coming down onto the island. Like, there's so much stuff in my head. I like nice things, and I like for things to look beautiful. That's just me, you know what I mean? People like, you have a beautiful home, just, you know, be happy. But I want things to make sense in my home, like, and it's gonna take me a while. It's probably gonna take years to get the house where it's perfect, you know, perfect. And then another family is gonna buy it and hate it. Yes. Okay, so this is the rug. Maddie got all kind of crap on it. I ordered gray and they sent me beige, so I have to contact Wayfair. And this big rug, believe it or not, guys, this is a 8x10, and I paid $90. It was originally $104, and I had a 20 off 50 coupon from Wayfair, and I paid $90 with taxes. Can you guys believe it? This sucker was originally almost $500. So I'm happy, but it's beige. I'm gonna see if I can work with it, because I don't know about shipping back something this big, but it looks really nice. You guys are gonna see it when it all comes together. I'm building my coffee table. That's next on the build list, and then I'm gonna build two nightstand, two end tables. This I rigged up. This was the first build that I ever did, and I didn't have any tools or anything. I just found scrap pieces from the neighborhood because they're still building, and I just hammered and nailed it together, and it looks good, but it's crooked. I didn't have a miter at the time. You know, it's just rigged up. So I'm gonna actually build a nicer end table. I'm building a balustrade or something, coffee table for right here. I'm gonna paint that guy right there, and I'm gonna shiplap this wall, and I'm gonna put I'm gonna shiplap this wall and put a fireplace right here. So this is gonna be gone. Okay, so the lights on the garage is installed. It's just now we can't close our garage door. So hubby's outside messing with it, and I also got the wrong light. He wanted the motion sensor or dusk to dawn thing, and I got just regular lights that you turn on and off. So we gotta go to Lowe's and take a look. Oh, my face is just horrible today. Skin problem. And I contacted Wayfair, and they sent me the wrong color rug, so they're sending me a new one, and they told me to dispose of the one that I have. And it's a beautiful rug to just throw it out, but it's not the right color. It is not. It's not even, there is not a gray in sight in that color. Not a gray. And I read the reviews, and I heard that Wayfair is famous for sending the wrong stuff. So whatever. Hopefully my right color rug show up, and I can just be done. Like, I'm done with all this house stuff. Guys, whew, when I tell you I'm so tired, my body hurts. My body literally hurts so bad. My hands are on flipping fire, and that's just from me grouting. I look a hot mess. It's 10:31, and I'm getting ready to add this to the video, finish editing, put it up. I was this close to not putting up a video today, but I was like, you know, I told you guys I will be back, so I have to stay committed no matter what is going on around me. I have to stay consistent because just this flip flop and, you know, just being absent and all of that is just messing with me. And I have goals, you know what I mean? I have crap to purchase and I have crap to buy. So if I don't make videos, I don't make money. Yeah, so I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good night. See you guys tomorrow. Still working on the floors, so it's still going to be about the goddamn floors. So, yeah, if you don't want to see floors, or me talking about floors, or me talking about this house update and all that, just don't watch. But anyways, guys, I'm going to go take me a shower and fix my face situation and probably go on a diet because I have a double chin. Like, I have a double chin. You guys couldn't tell me I was getting a double chin? Like, seriously? Ugh, oh my gosh. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.